In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view individual responses in SurveyMonkey. If you've ever wanted to move beyond summary charts and actually see how each person answered your survey, this walkthrough is for you. We'll look at where to find individual responses, how to move through them efficiently, when to use different view modes, and what to keep in mind if you need to edit or delete a specific response. Once you're in the Analyze Results area for your survey, switch over to the Individual Responses tab. This is where you'll see detailed data for each respondent, laid out so you can review answers in context rather than just as aggregates. It's especially helpful for quality checks, following up on surprising trends, or understanding how skip logic and optional questions played out for a single person. To move through your data set, use the left and right arrows. Think of these as next and previous controls that let you flip from one respondent to another without losing your place. If you're reviewing a batch, this keeps you moving steadily and avoids bouncing back to a summary page. You can choose between two view modes depending on what you need. Table View arranges responses in a spreadsheet-like layout that's ideal for quickly scanning many entries side by side. This works best when you have fewer than 1,000 responses so the page loads quickly and stays easy to navigate. It's great for spotting patterns or inconsistencies across respondents without drilling into each one. When you need depth rather than breadth, switch to Single View. This displays one full survey response at a time, preserving the natural flow of the survey. It's perfect for reading answers with more nuance, checking how someone progressed through branching logic, and catching details that might be missed in a grid. Within the Individual Responses view, you can make corrections or remove entries if necessary. Use the Edit option to fix a clear typo or adjust an obvious data entry issue. Then save your changes so your analysis reflects the correction. If a response is clearly test data, duplicated, or doesn't meet your inclusion criteria, you can delete it. Keep in mind that editing or deleting affects your overall results, exports, and any shared dashboards. It's a good idea to double check before confirming deletions, and consider exporting your data first if you're making substantial changes. That's all there is to it. Open Analyze Results, switch to Individual Responses, navigate with the arrows, pick the view mode that fits your task, and edit or delete responses when appropriate. With these tools, you'll get a clearer, more precise understanding of your survey data.